King Piers out here in Lawrence, Kansas. Another Lawrence, Kansas job. We've done so far since spring this year. We've done 3 projects. This is our 4th out here in Lawrence. We're making a presence. The reason we're making a presence because we say what we do and we do what we say. Walls leaning in, we make it perfectly vertical. We keep it vertical by the 4-step process that we do for these people. The word spreads. So here we are on another house. This wall here is leaning inward about 3.5, 4 inches. So we're going to dig down here to the footing, relieve that pressure. Then we'll come inside on the inside and put our interior set up. This wall right here, we're going to dig down to the footing, and we're going to clean this wall real well. It's not leaning in, it's not sinking, so we're going to clean it and waterproof it. So stay tuned as we get going out here. Guys just showed up. King Piers in Lawrence, Kansas, for all your foundation piering needs. I absolutely, without a doubt, know that we are the very best at what we do. Give us a call at 816-288-4373. You can go to our Facebook page, check us out there, give us a comment, a share, that'd be great. Last but not least, our YouTube channel is very important to us. We've now reached about 1,300 subscribers. Thank you to all those that subscribe to want to be knowledgeable about proper engineering sound foundation repair. You're going to get it with us. So for all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. Thank you.